Introducing 1183 Robin Avenue. This property features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, over 2,300 square feet of living space, a screened-in patio, and brand new heated pool. Walking into the home, the first thing you'll notice is the open layout with views all the way through to the backyard. The kitchen has been completely remodeled and features brand new cabinetry, appliances, glass tiles, and quartzite countertops. The family room towards the back of the house has views of the pool and double doors leading to a screened-in deck. Stepping up into the main living area, you'll find dark hardwood flooring, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including 1 master. On the other side of the home, you have a dedicated laundry room with a sink, split AC unit, and electrical water heater. You also have another master bedroom and bathroom. The property lot is over 9,500 square feet, and the backyard has a brand new heated pool as well as a brand new deck. The property has impact windows all around, new fencing, and other renovations throughout. $1183 Robin Avenue is on the market for $569,000, offered through the Leonard Real Estate Group.